Hello, people. This is a review of a Dulquer Salman film called Banglore Days that was released in. It's a Malayalam film, and the unique thing about this film, though it was released quite some time ago, is it is a timeless movie. I mean, certain movies you can watch it even years after they've been released, and they still the movies have a certain freshness or a charm about them. So this is one such film, Bangalore Days. And Dulquer Salman, this being the son of the legend Mammootty, the Malayalam superstar Mammootty. um, he's I mean, this is one film that like right from Niveen Pauly to Nazria to Dulquer Salman to, I mean, the casting of the film was has been stellar. I mean, like, in terms of each one suited their character so well that you literally begin to believe that there are actually these three friends who traveled from Kerala to Bangalore to start a new life. And and in fact, Nazria's real life husband is also playing the role of her husband in the movie, so that adds a very almost realistic touch to the whole thing. So right from the songs to the basic chemistry between the characters, everything is very special about this film. So people, in case you haven't watched this is one of the few Malayalam films that you know has a very pan India appeal. It's like certain movies, you need to understand the generally it would only work probably in Kerala, but this film is something that youth across the country you would enjoy, probably a dubbed version of it, or I'm surprised it wasn't, or maybe it really should be remade. There should be remakes of this film. So thank you, and I'm told it's a lady director behind the whole